Columbus Airport. This is our gate, A6. Look, there are birdies. Okay, I'm here in one of the stores. Got drinks, got snacks, the usual stuff. Got the travel size stuff there in the corner, magazines. The only thing I left was my thing here, and I spent $40 for them, so I might have to look somewhere else. Salad things. Got your coffees in there. And you got the poppy. Not the flavors I like. Got your pop, Parade, that type of stuff there. And snacks there. Ice cream. More pop. Your headphones and stuff like that. It's just sitting there. Going to the flights. More poppy and stuff. Bubbly, Dr. Pepper regular, zero sugar, and the Starbucks and cream. Got Pepsi. Salads, got hard-boiled eggs, that type of stuff, little snacks. Out there's decorated. I got plugs, at least ours, on every seat, kind of like those. Vino, YOLO, your drinks and stuff, alcohol. 4 plugs there. Donato's Pizza. It's a little early for pizza stuff. Got some power stations there. Sure did get light real quick. It was still dark when we got in. So, water, got some more sandwiches and stuff like that. Bunch of phones. Gate 5 going to Chicago. I'm going to be right there. Not spot. I was going to Chicago non-stop. Yep, safe travels. There's our plane.